Morning, how are you today? I am going to a presentation for Consonant Sounds, the task 5 of English Phonetics. My name is Orlando Villamizar Sanchez. I am a student for foreign language with emphasis in English. For the consonant, I will going to present the consonant sounds. Okay, let's go. Okay, the consonant sounds is all the letters, but I choose three consonants. In this case is ditch, P and T. D3 or ditch, the consonant ditch is a voice alveopalatal African consonant. P, then sound P is a voiceless bilabial top consonant. P, P, P. T, it is a sound from the consonants pairs group and it is the voiceless alveolar stop. T, stop, T. This means that you stop the airflow with your tongue and the right behind your teeth. The examples. In this case, this example huge whatever, huge bridge. This is the example for the words, but is in this case examples for the sentences. The three sentences. One, I can give as much as she gives. I can just don't have that same spirit she has, but you. In this case, is just the word in this example. The second example is yes, I was traveling in Jamaica. 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 Excuse me. Jamaica. And the three example is there are jokes about the aging process. Excuse me for the, the word, but the word the consonant ditch is jokes. Okay. The consonant P, for example, a potato, a pencil, pocket, princess. This is the example for the P. In this example this is the example, and the another is the example for the words. In this case, example the same the anterior the last consonant. This is the example, the sentences. In this case, examples. We had pizza for dinner last night. In this case, in this example, in these sentences, the word is pizza. Obviously, because the word begin the letter P. P. Pizza. Second example, he has nothing in his pocket. Obviously, his pocket. Pocket. Bilabial. Number 3, he needs to sharpen his pencil. Pencil. The consonant P is bilabial. Pizza, pocket, and pencil. In this case. And the consonant T. The T is, for example, table, tire, what else? Tournament. Tournament. This is the example for the words. In this case, the consonant T is the sentences. One sentence. The tornado destroyed many homes. In this case, is tornado. But the no es consonant T. The consonant T is tornado. Tornado is the word. Second, He's tired from working hard. Tired is the word. Tired. And number three, they had dinner at the table. The table. Table is the word. Uh, According for the consonant, in this case, the word is tornado, tire, and table. Tornado, tire, and table. Okay. Uh, I chosen for the consonants. And thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye. Thank you.